I went from this boring Excel sheet to this sheet in just 5 minutes, and you can do it too. So watch out very carefully. So what is this dashboard is about? So basically the sheet I have shown you is my ads performance sheet. What does that mean? My performance marketing team gives the data of our ads, of our Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads in the sheet format, right? You might also be receiving in the same format. But if you are someone just like me who is not able to understand these Google sheets but are able to understand the dashboard which you are seeing right now, is something very much interactive, and it is not just interconnected with the Google sheet which I have just shown you. Instead, it is also giving me insights that what changes I need to do in my funnel basis on my last 24 hours of data, and it also gives me a forecast of next 10 days. And I'll show you here that you can see what it is showing, that the campaigns are operating at a loss of 100%. ROI recommendation, immediate action requires pause, all unprofitable campaigns, audit targeting, and redesign creatives, strong lead generation momentum, 24 hours lead. Not just that, it is also giving me next 7 days line of actions. What does that mean? That I need to review and optimize my top 3 performing ad sets. And not just that, test new creative variations for unperforming campaigns, analyze audience demographics of highest landing page view customers, implement A/B tests on landing pages to improve conversion rate, set up automated rules for budget allocation based on ROS. So this sheet is allowing me to actually dominate my performance marketing, and they not fool me anymore by just providing me the data in the Google sheet, because this is interconnected with AI at the back end, and it is giving me insight for the next 10 days or 7 days because it has been trained in that way. But how you can do it too is what we are going to be learning in this particular video, so watch out very carefully. So this is a sheet which usually we get from our performance marketing team, right? So if you have hired a performance marketer guy, maybe a face for your Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads or maybe for LinkedIn ads as well, they usually give you these kinds of Excel sheet. They keep on updating day wise ad spend and the results based on the day wise and how much we have collected. So basically this is a dummy data which I created to test out, and this is the sheet. Even if you are having a performance marketing guy or an agency for yourself, then please check with your performance agency or the individual to have this sheet ready, because for creating this kind of dashboard for meta ads we need to have this created. This is the only prerequisite required before we begin with the automation of this. In this sheet you can see there's day wise dates mentioned, annotation, daily spend, and total leads, then leads, bump ratio, one time offer. Again, this depends on your funnel and everything. These numbers could be different for you. I'm just giving you an overview what kind of sheet we get from the agency. If you already have this ready, then you are ready to follow with me right here. But wait, you still don't have your sheet ready? Don't worry, because I have got you covered. You can find my video over here where I have already recorded how you can use AI to run your Facebook ad campaigns. And for that, I've already recorded a video. Please go and watch it out. And then once you have your ad campaigns live and running for like 24 hours, then you can come back to video and build a dashboard like this, right? Without writing a single line of code, and you don't have to learn Excel or Power BI or any such fancy words you are aware of. You don't have to learn that. Just follow along with me and you will be ready to use this kind of beautiful dashboard with insights right in 5 minutes. To build a dashboard which we have just seen, you have to come to a platform called lovable.dev. If you are not aware what is lovable.dev is all about, so basically it is a vibe coding platform. Now what is vibe coding? Vibe coding is something where you actually build applications, websites, dashboards, whatnot, just by communicating to AI. You explain your idea to AI, and AI will help you create the first prototype or maybe a testing tool for you right in minutes. Okay. If you are still not able to understand that what does this mean about, I've already recorded a video over here where I have used some similar like lovable.dev, where in this video I have already recorded bolt.new platform, and I have created a beautiful application using just communication, and how you can also do it too. You can find that video over here. Please watch it out and then come back to this if you want to build a dashboard like this. If you are unaware, if you already understand that what is vibe coding and how you can actually communicate your ideas to AI, and you can actually leverage AI to bring in action your ideas, your thoughts live in action in minutes, then please continue watching this video and let's move ahead that how to build this dashboard. So this is my lovable platform and I have logged in over here and you can see over here, this is where I created. You can see my workspace and I'll just click on this and you'll see that how I created this. This is the backend, how it looks. And all I've done is just communicated my ideas with the AI and it has created this dashboard. So I'll just scroll up and I'll show you. So this is the prompt which I gave to this AI to build. This was the first communication done by me. And also I gave this dashboard and for this I just simply googled beautiful UI UX on Google and you'll whatever template you like from Google Images you can just pick that and put it over here. I liked this image so I just put it over here for reference. You can use anything or you can just give a prompt to this AI and it will just generate the dashboard, the UI UX, the user interface on its own. So this was the prompt which I gave and don't worry, this prompt will be provided in the resource section as usual. So don't worry on that. Let's just understand the logics of getting this created. So this was the prompt I gave and I have clearly mentioned that I want these KPIs to be mentioned, key point indicators to be mentioned. And I have given the Excel URL of the sheet which I have shown you. And make sure when you are sharing this sheet over here, because this is integrated with my Excel sheet, right? So when you are putting this link over here, make sure your Google Sheet is open to all. Okay, so I'll show you what does that means. So this is the sheet. When I'm mentioning make sure it is open to all. So what does that means? This when I click here on share button, it is open to view all, right? So make sure you have this setting on. If you have it restricted, it won't show over there. Okay, so it has to be open to all, then only put your URL of the Google Doc over there. So all you have to do is just copy the URL of this sheet and keep it open, view, anyone with the link view, and just simply copy this URL. Okay, and come back to your lovable dashboard and just simply paste the URL of the sheet. Okay, post this edit, you'll have to just copy this export. I've already uploaded in the this resource section, so don't worry, just paste this. Make sure it has after the slash export question mark format equals to CSV, and in that format you have to just paste the URL of your sheet and then it's good to go. Okay, so nothing, just quick recap. I have put the prompt explaining my ideas and thoughts and everything, what key point indicators I want, and the URL of my Google Sheet. Okay, simple till here. Started creating the whole view and everything. It took a few minutes to build that. We kept on iterating it because obviously it's AI comes just like that. So once you're happy with the outcome, if you want any changes and anything, you can do that. You can ask AI over here. So in case you are using the free platform and you have just started using this platform, so I would suggest just try it for under a free plan. And under a free plan, you can do 5 changes in a day. So what does that mean? You can only give 5 prompts over here for a dashboard or for whatever. If you even if you are getting a website or an application getting created from here, you can ask for 5 changes in a day. And if your 5 credits are over for a day, then after 24 hours of period, your next 5 credits will be resumed under a free plan. Okay, so that's all about it. As I was fed up of using Google Sheets for looking at my performance and I was not finding it very much interactive or insightful, so I started to look for a guy or maybe an agency who actually does that for me. And I just simply randomly googled this thing, Meta Ads dashboard price and everything. So I came upon these kind of tools, which is Kapra.io. I'm sure there must be a lot of other tools, but I'm just showing you giving you an overview. We have created this dashboard just for free, and this is how much they charge for just getting a dashboard like this created, which is near about $24 for 5 data connections. That means you can only get 5 Google Sheets connected or whatever data you have. $24 I think in INR would be something somewhere about uh, uh, 2000 or 2500 bucks or something. And under a professional it's $99. Then came across this platform Dash This, which charges as $42 a month, which is near about 4,000 or 5,000 INR in something. So you can see what we created by leveraging an AI is being charged this much, but we have already created this, and that's what exactly you are also capable of creating this kind of dashboard, because this video is what all covers about how you can actually not just create this dashboard for your own self. Even if you are an ad agency yourself, you can actually give a better service for your clients by getting these kinds of dashboards created. And even if you are an individual, you can use it for your own insights. And you understand the whole system now is because people are charging, people are actually giving services out there for this. And we are lucky to be in the era of AI where we can get this created by just communicating, and that's what exactly we have just learned, and we are above the few other points as well. So basically this dashboard is was ready by after iterating. Now all you have to do after putting this prompt is that you just, if you are not happy about the design, if you are not happy about the key point indicators coming over here, you can obviously get it changed. If you're not happy about the layout, if you're not happy about the user interface, if you want more things to be added. For example, I'll just show you that. Let's just get an chatbot added over here. So help me get an AI chatbot added at the bottom right corner, where I can chat with the bot and for more deeper insights based on my dashboard. Make sure this bot only opens when user clicks on it. Okay, so basically what I've communicated over here, or a prompt, that on the bottom right I want a chatbot over here somewhere where I only if I click it opens up and I can basically chat, like how you can chat to with ChatGPT based on the data you have provided. So I want that. But here the catch is I have trained it, I have given a prompt that it should be only able to chat based on the data, based on the dashboard insights which we have got from this. Okay, so I'll just hit enter and it will take a few seconds to actually get that created on the top, on the bottom right, and it will be ready. So I'm pausing it for now, and once this is ready, I'll resume it. The chatbot is now ready, and let's just test it, right? So I've just clicked on it. Hi, I am your Meta Ads expert assistant. I can analyze your dashboard data and provide a deeper insights. Would you like to know more? So let's see. And how can I improve it immediately? So I've just given it prompt that how I can improve it immediately and what is happening wrong. A key optimization area focus on reducing CPA through audience refinement, improve leads quality, better targeting. Okay, so I'll just copy this, what it has suggested. Can you give me actionable points to take in next 24 hours to improve this? So let's see what it gives. Your average CPA is rupees 0, a good CPA efficiency. Your cost per acquisition is below your lead value. So you can see it is giving correct information based on the data which we have provided. Don't worry if you see CPA is 0, that is just not possible because it is a dummy data, it is showing that. But in real use case, obviously the CPA never comes low. That's just that. But you can see, uh, you can run your ads yourself. You can get this data on Google Sheet and you can connect it with Meta Ads dashboard like this for yourself. And you can also provide it as a micro SaaS to your clients and companies. You can provide this as a service. Again, leveraging AI is something I would always and always suggest you guys, those who have watched me till here, please leverage AI, because now it's more important to communicate with AI and get the right thing out from it by just communication. Okay, so throughout this getting this dashboard created, all we have done is just communicated. So this was just an idea which I was just testing, just because I came across those expensive platform for which I thought is not, you know, we are already spending a lot of money on ads, right? And then even if you have hired a marketing agency or a marketing guy, you're also paying a recurring money to that person as well. And even after that, you want insights get these dashboards created by the platform which I've already shown you guys. So a thought came in my mind that why not leverage AI to get this dashboard created, and for the testing purpose I got this created, and that's why I am here sharing with my audience. And in return I want nothing from you. Subscribe and hit the like button and the comment your learning from this video in the comment section, so that it motivates me to bring more such value content for you guys. I want nothing but just your love and support in return.